Hello guys, in this video I am going to talk about simple Python project that I have created using Intel model. This is a simple project that I have created using Intel model. This is the GUI based application. I named this application as Phonebook Recorder. In this application we can create new record, delete selected record, modify selected record, and in this section the record that we create are shown in this section. Now let's begin by creating some record. In the name section I write name as 1. In contact I write as 9 this, and in for image I don't want to choose any image till now. Then I add record. Then you see the record that we insert are shown here. The name 1 and phone number that and one is the image status. I don't insert any image for this record, so the image status is false. If I want to insert image without inserting any data by pressing add record, then the message pop up as messages pop up error message pop up. So it means that this application apps the validation purpose also. If I want to modify this record, then I select this record, then I modify this as capital letter, then I modify contact, then I simply click on modify selected. Then you see the data that I have selected is modified. Another advantage of this, and in this project I have integrated this application with web page. In this page you can see the data that we have created. Then the image is data false, another one is contact number, this is the name. And if I want to delete this data, then I simply select this data and select on delete. Then our data is deleted permanently. Now when I refresh this, no data are shown here because there are no data. Then if I want to record and create another record, then I write name as Ram Sharma and contact number 98. I write dummy data. Then for the Ram Sharma I want to insert image too. Then I click on choose image, choose file, then select image for Ram, then click on add a record. As you can see, the image is status true because when we insert image, the image is status true. When we don't insert image, the image status become false. So when I refresh this web page, as you can see, our data is shown here. So I think you have enjoyed this video. If you want tutorial of this video, then please comment below, and thank you for watching guys. Have a nice day.